In this video, we're going to show you where you can download this Excel spreadsheet, which will give you a list, a random list of these 300 words where you can put in the words for your crypto wallet on one side and then match them up with 300 words. You can save these absolutely anywhere and then write them down just like this onto a piece of paper, and anybody can check out these numbers. Like, I don't care who sees this, you can write these down. They're absolutely meaningless. It is just a bunch of numbers. You could grab a book and write them in the top pages of the book. You could even grab a photo frame and maybe write them on the back of the frame. You could have them hammered onto the back of dog tags. You could put them anywhere. It really doesn't matter. It's just a list of numbers, but you have this on you permanently 24/7. You could have the list of the numbered words on your iPhone, hidden away there somewhere in your notes or a different app. It is, I believe, the absolute number one best way that you can store your key phrases while traveling, while maybe going to another country to live. Some of the other options, the Billfoddle, okay, you can get it on Amazon, is about £100. Or you could try something like this as well, the CryptoSteel, which is pretty popular, and or something like this, CryptoTag, and have all of your words on there. So somebody like me, which is into crypto, found something like this on the street, or maybe someone dropped a bag and you found this in there. You're going to know exactly what it is, and you know pretty much exactly what those words are going to be represented for. Just grab a Trezor wallet, a Nano Ledger S, just put the words in and see if you've just made a fortune. But with a random set of numbers, they are not going to have a clue what to do with them. So first things first, what you want to do, come over here to Mutoru Crypto Ninja, go on to downloads. And by the time I actually make this video, you're going to be able to scroll down, and just about here somewhere, you're going to see the download of this PDF. So once you've downloaded the wallet, to keep yourself completely safe, you might want to disconnect your laptop computer from the internet just to be on the safe side. Now, once you open up the file, you're going to see a bunch of different words down here. You can just go ahead and delete all of those. Those are just there for filler, just to sort of show you what's going on. And what you can see going on is these ones here are green, and this one here has the number 16 next to it. And down here you can see that bamboo is in fact in the list, and it is number 16 in the list. So it's these numbers that you're going to write down into your list, just like what we showed you earlier. And for the purposes of this video, we're just going to stick with this list of 24 words in here. So what you're going to want to do now is create a new list of 300 words down here. So all of these words actually come from the word list here. So this is basically the 2048 words which are used for all cryptocurrency wallets. It's the BIP39 words. You don't have to do anything with the BIP39 words. Just leave them alone, okay? And come here to the random 300 words list. Every time you change anything, you just write something in here, like a number 5, then I'll delete it, press enter, and there you go. You see the numbers change. If you press enter on its own, nothing will happen. If I put a 4 in there, press enter, the page refreshes. Just like that. What you want to do now, you've got a completely brand new set of words. Now you can drag this down, it'll take you a while, or what you can do is just press shift and command on the Mac plus the down arrow, or shift control, it probably is on Windows, and you'll just instantly select everything. From there, just command C to copy, head on over back to the normal wallet. Now select the first cell in the list, and then do not paste, but actually right click, and what you want to do is paste special. Otherwise it's just going to try and copy all of the formulas and it's going to make a mess. So come down here to values, so you just want to paste in the values. And there you go. So now we've just got all those new values pasted in. And already, because these are the BIP39 words which are used for all crypto wallets, no surprise that some of them are actually already in there. So now comes not really a hard part, but something that you need to do. Basically copy that. So bamboo, maybe I want to make number 3 bamboo, and I can just paste that in there, and instantly it turns green because you know where it is. There it is, number 3. And you can just go down the list like that, just copy, come down here a bit, paste it in there, come back up. Next one, kid, come down a bit, pick a number. Now you could pick your favorite numbers, you know, sort of like your lucky numbers, maybe like number 40, paste it in there, replace that word. And once you've done that for all of these, all you need to do then is obviously copy all of this all the way down, and then copy that and save it maybe into some sort of text file in your computer or something like that. Once you have all of the words, you know, don't do it with half the words missing, but you then got all the words. Write down all of those number phrases that you're going to need. You can see here in this one, I used SP at the front. So that would be suggesting that this is for a SafePal wallet. And you can do that for, you know, Trezor, Nano Ledger X, and whatever it is that you use. And obviously, because there's 300 words here, you can put as many different wallets into the same 300 word list that you've got, and then you've just got different numbers for each one, which means you only have to carry around one list of 300 words, and then obviously all of your individual sort of 12 to 24 word phrases that you're going to keep in your wallet or wherever. It doesn't really matter. Now, I know this all goes against the conventional wisdom, which is like this, to put the seed phrase in your brain. And you got other people here saying it really doesn't take much just to learn your seed phrase by heart, or remembering the words or adding a 25th password seems like the best bet to me. So a lot of people here saying to remember your passphrase, basically just memorize it. Now, a big problem for this, and it really is a huge issue that you do need to bear in mind, please do, is you're not going to live forever. Okay, now my dad died earlier this year in August, and previous to that, a few months before, I had helped him set up a Solana wallet in which he invested a massive £50. Now, when he died, it was very easy for me to, because I knew his passwords and whatnot, very easy for me to go in, access the £50, and then put it into a little savings fund for the kids. So they both got £25 of Solana each. Very, very easily, much more easier than a high street bank getting the cash out of there. So using this good system like this, all of your family will have access to your wallets. Sort of. All they're going to need is be able to access your computer to actually get that list of 300 words, and then find your other list of numbers. And as long as they're pretty switched on, they should be able to work that out. It's going to be fairly easy. Now, if they were to find a list of actual words in a nice little Trezor wallet packet, and then they or anybody else that finds that is also going to be able to access your funds very, very easily. And of course, that is one of the main problems, is that anybody can find it. You may be abroad and lose your wallet or lose your suitcase, as your suitcase goes missing in the Spanish airport as usual. Then somebody somewhere can very, very easily just steal all of your money out of your crypto wallet. Now, everybody says don't keep them digitally sort of on your phone or anything like that, but because you're only storing a list of random 300 words, there's no way they're going to guess. Now, I did ask ChatGPT earlier just what the odds were for them guessing it, and it said that the odds of correctly guessing a 24-word seed phrase from a set of 300 words with exact ordering are roughly 1 in 10 to the power of 61. Essentially impossible with any feasible amount of computing power. This highlights why mnemonic phrases are so secure. So even though for hackers and such like, a list of 300 is a little bit shorter than a list of 2048, it also means that realistically, the chances of actually picking your exact 24 numbers out of that and then putting them into the absolute correct order, and also doing that for the correct wallet type, whether it be a PivX wallet, a Litecoin wallet, a Dogecoin wallet, a Trezor wallet, whatever it is, they're not even going to know. So please do let me know in the comments down below if you like this, and give us a thumbs up, because my goodness, this channel definitely needs it. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you like to, and I'll see you again in the next video.